decided to pick up learning new languages as a new hobby, and I have a goal and I have a plan to learn multiple languages like the Korean language, French, Japanese, Chinese, and several others. But currently, I'm still like a beginner. I honestly have no idea how this channel will work, but I know I want to create a channel to keep like a diary or to like for accountability to hold me accountable and also to meet maybe people who also have this passion of learning languages and are interested because I want to start with the Korean language. So if there's anyone who's also interested in learning the Korean language and just like me, the only idea of the language that you have is from K dramas and K pop because the only idea of the language that I have is from like K dramas and years of watching K dramas and years of listening to K pop, Korean tracks, Korean rock songs, just years of listening to Korean songs. But I've decided I want to start with the Korean language because it's a language that I feel like I'm quite familiar with. And yeah, on this channel, I'll share daily or weekly language learning. Yeah, not tips, but if you're also a beginner like me, um, you can join me on this journey and let us learn the Korean language together. And yeah, this will be my first video and tomorrow or maybe later today I plan to start. See, I'm procrastinating again. Later today I'll have to do this video. I'll start my Korean language learning journey as a beginner who has no idea what she's doing. I don't even know how I'm going to film the me learning and all the stuff, but I just want to bring you guys along with me and see if this is something you'll be interested in, just like me. If you also want to learn, let us learn together. Okay? Thank you for watching and I love you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.